Today we're making some jalapeno tuna rolls. Don't worry, it's not spicy. It only has the perfect amount of jalapeno flavor to have a delicious Mexican lunch or dinner. Super easy to make. The best part, super fast. If you're going to a picnic or you need to make lunch for the kids, this is a great option. So let's start. For this recipe, you will need about 3 slices of boxed bread. I use whole wheat for every can of tuna. 2 cans of tuna in water, 1/4 of a cup of the jalapenos juice. These are the jalapenos en escabeche or pickled jalapenos. 2 tablespoons of mayo and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. And finally, some lettuce, whatever kind of lettuce you have at home. So we're gonna start by cutting the edges of our bread. I'm gonna grab a plate. I'm gonna put one of the breads in here. I'm gonna smash with another plate. Always start by the liquid ingredients. So I'm gonna add 2 spoons of mayo, 2 spoons of Greek yogurt. Now the jalapeno. If you don't want it to be spicy, take away the jalapenos. I just want it a middle spicy. So this is 1/4 of a cup of the jalapenos juice, the pickled jalapenos, and now the 2 cans of tuna. Now let's blend all of these together. Always rinse the lettuce before using it because sometimes they have mosquitoes and other small bugs that are in the environment. And this, I love it because it gets rid of all the water and you can have your salads being fresh for longer. Remember to press on the bell so you can get a notification every Tuesday that I have new Mexican recipes, healthy and delicious Mexican food. Like my video and share. You have diabetes, are making keto or a low carb diet, this is also a great option. So as this video says, you have lunch or you have the lunch for kids or for yourself. It's super delicious. This is made with whole wheat bread. But anyway, people with diabetes making a low carb diet or keto, this is also a great option. Remember that if you use the spinner to keep your lettuce fresh, it can last many days. So I'm gonna give you a link so you can get a spinner on my box description as well as all the ingredients. I hope you enjoy it. Remember to look for me on Instagram as Mexican Food by Laura, the same on TikTok, and my blog where you can find many options, healthy Mexican food. Amigos, until next Tuesday.